up, guys? This is Pete with Pete's Logic. Decided to make a quick video. I am currently on the job picking up a big boom, and there's not a lot of videos on this trailer, so I decided I might as well make one and be the first person to make a video on this. This is a XL70 HDG, and I'm going to show you guys. There's like no videos on the internet, or at least on YouTube, about this, and on the website they don't have nothing concrete either. So I'm just gonna show you guys how I operate this trailer, and hopefully nobody comes and takes my job away from me. That's what we're gonna hope for. What I'm gonna first do real quick before I decide to disconnect is I'm gonna straighten out this trailer. Do I have to? Yeah, I'm gonna just straighten it out just a tiny bit, just to make sure the truck is aligned with the trailer exactly straight. And then we're gonna get back into it. I'm gonna stop the video for a second and I'm gonna continue. Okay, let me make sure I'm recording it. We are live. Okay, so I straightened out the trailer as much as I could, and I'm gonna quick disconnect this, and since I don't want to make damage into the asphalt or whatever, I'm just gonna place this piece of wood under the middle there just so it's secure. It's good enough. Now I'm gonna air out. First thing you're gonna do is air out the trailer. This is, by the way, model 2020 HDG XL HDG 70 whatever. To lower this, I got all these controls right here in the back. Hopefully you can see it on camera. Just gonna switch that on. Now we are dumping all the air out of the trailer. I'm also gonna dump the air in my tractor to make this easier on me. Let's see. Okay, so now we're dumping a bunch of air. So first thing we're gonna do, get the keys to start the pony motor. This is the option I got. You might have a different setup. You might have it through the truck and a wet kit. I decided not to do that. I decided to get the pony motor. That's just the way it worked out for me. This is the throttle. I'm gonna raise it to operating condition. So what this lever does is it lifts the centerpiece or lowers it. First we want to lift it to remove the winch, whatever you want to call. I don't know what you want to call that, doesn't matter. Just look at what I'm doing and try to mimic it when I'm doing it. The way when you do it, you just want to mimic it basically. Now I lowered. Now you want to lower just enough so it lifts off your tractor just a little bit. You see a little bit of gap in between it. That's good enough. Now what this does is it secures it onto the tractor. Just enough. Hopefully that's good enough. I'm hoping that crane or the boom that I'm taking is going to be high enough, but to clear that. But if not, I got wood anyway, so I hope you guys can hear what I'm saying when I'm saying it while the engine is operating. What this button does, this is the choke. What this button does is it releases the pin on the bottom. You have to make sure you got air coming in. See? You didn't hear nothing? That's because you don't have no air in it. You gotta put air pressure back in your trailer. So I'm gonna put some air back in. This is what I had trouble with the first time I disconnected. Now that you got air in the system, Now you're gonna be able to hear this pin go off. See, I released the pin. This right here, I don't know if you can see this on the camera, but this right here, this pin is up now, which means it's loose off this trailer. After you have disconnected that, what you could go ahead and do is close this valve. That's for your trailer brake. What I'm going to do now is remove the pressure of the air coming into the trailer. Lock it out. And what we will do now is shut off the motor because it doesn't need to be running. Disconnect these lines. Disconnect the power line. Okay. Now you're gonna hide this in, so when you drive up a boom or anything, drive up a tank or whatever you're hauling, these lines are hidden and they don't get run over. It's good enough. Okay, so a couple key things here I want to mention. Before you slide the neck back onto the trailer, you have to pop this back in. You push it back in, and so that makes the little nose out of the pin popped out, basically. So when it comes in, it guides in and then locks in. So I basically did that, as you seen earlier in the video. I backed it in, it locked, and then after it locked, I jerked on it to make sure it's connected, make sure the fifth wheel is connected or whatever. Connected all the hoses, opened this red line up, turned off the engine, of course, shut this is the throttle. I made sure this was closed. I didn't need choke, so I didn't use it. That's for the pin. Pulled the key out, connected the lines, put air in the trailer, and I also lifted, put it back to normal ride height on the rear of the trailer. So that's basically it. It's not that difficult, but there's no videos out there on how to do this, so I just figured I might as well make one. Now I'm gonna go ahead and secure my load, and then I'm gonna get out of here. Thank you. 'Cause I'm the E.